What up guys, that's Lubem Johnson from Lubem TV guys. Today I'm back with another video, and guys, in today's video we are going to be building a BMX CUB, and today we are in episode 2 of the BMX CUB build. So if you never watched out the episode 1, please go down the description. The episode 1 will be down in the description. So by the end of this course, you're going to build something like this. So in this course, I will teach you everything you need to know on how to build a BMX CUB, how to build bicycle motocross. It doesn't matter if you have a mechanical skills or a welding skills, it doesn't matter. But in this course, at the end of the course, you're going to build something like this. So all you want to do, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so they're going to be notified time I drop episode 3. Subscription is absolutely free. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. Guys, now this is it. So I smooth all the body, but now we are gonna test to see if I don't have any leakage. This is important. You really need to test. Now we're gonna fill water in the tank to see if we have any sign of leakage. We're gonna weight it up so that you don't have any leakage. It really matters, because you will have problem with it if it's leaking when you have the job done and do the painting. So you see, you gotta do this also, and you will do this thing so the seat will go down here, and I will show you that in the video later. But for now, let's do up fill up the water. And then now I'm cutting off this material to do the tank cover. Wait, let me show you guys. You see, cutting out the material like that, and the tank cover is pretty good, guys. And that's good, guys. Take a look at this, just the tank cover. That look pretty good. Okay, now I seat everything up. As you can see, it's clean, and I will clean up the body now. I want to put it filler, but first I will clean up the body. So you will need to clean up the body too. Clean everything. You can use a machine with a sandpaper. You can see the sandpaper in this machine. If you have a big machine, it's also the same, but you can use this machine to smooth out the body, and that will look pretty good. Let's do that. So guys, you can see I have smoothing of the body like this, but I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet with the body. We're gonna put it filler, and then I will do the final smoothing, which I will use my hand. And guys, we are at this level. Please guys, what you will do now, just take your time and please subscribe to the channel. Push the channel forward, so we're gonna be doing amazing stuff like this. And hit the like button if you like the video. Comment where you have issues, and tell me what you see about this work, guys. So let's do this work. So I put in the smoke cleaner. I use it and I clean the body to look like this. As you can see, it looks very clean. Okay, let's do a B-roll. We are gonna do a cover to cover this place. So we're gonna use this position to do our box. That we're gonna pack some wires and some like the CDI. We're gonna put them there and some wires here. So this is where the wire gonna stuck. So let me use this thing and to construct the cover right here like this. You will need to do it very clean, so you're not gonna look like a home make. So we're gonna use this thing to cover it, do it, cover it like that. So let's do that. This cover is getting so clean. Getting so clean. Okay, now we are gonna do a hanger. We are gonna do a hanger right here, a little bit of hanger, so this thing will stuck inside. A little bit of hanger right there, so this thing will stuck inside. So let me design that hanger. As you can see, this goes here like this. I think that's good. We are gonna drill a hole down below with the nuts. And guys, this is the frame. I've smoothed everything. Now we are going to do filler to fill it all those places. And guys, look at the box. The box cover is clean, as you can see. The box cover is clean. So now we are going to do filler, fill it all those places. So it's gonna be clean, and then we'll smooth it, and then we're gonna give it a good painting. And guys, now we are doing, I've put up the filler, so I'm doing the black putty. You see, this is the black filler, and this one you're gonna make it so it's gonna look professionally. Using this thing, it will make it look professionally. The paint, after you get it done, the paint will look very professional. So I always do this in my work. After putting filler, you smooth it up, then you put up the black filler. You know, I normally use hand to do my filler for this kind of work. For you get it right doing it with your hand. Some people use pad, but for me, I use hand. Okay guys, so here we come at the end of episode 2 guys. So episode 3 is coming down soon. You check that in the description. If you're watching this in the future, you check episode 3 in the description of the video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop episode 3. Subscription is absolutely free. This is the end of episode 2. Peace.